Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is recap of letters and sounds. Over here, alphabet recap A to Z. Write the capital letters or uppercase letters. So over here, the child has to write the capital letters or the uppercase letters from A to Z, and they also have to say its sound. So the first one is written, it's A sounds A, B sounds B, C sounds K, D sounds D, E sounds E, F sounds F, G sounds G, H sounds H, I sounds E, J sounds J, K sounds K, L sounds L, M sounds M, N sounds N, O sounds O, P sounds P, Q sounds Q, R sounds R, S sounds S, T sounds T, U sounds A, V sounds W, W sounds W, X sounds X, Y sounds Y, and the last one is given Z sounds Z. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को कैपिटल लेटर या तो अपर केस लेटर्स A to Z को लिखना है और उसका साउंड भी उनको बोलना है. आप उनको एम्फसाइज करवाइए अगर वो लोग भूल गए हैं. सो प्लीज एम्फसाइज देम टू रिकॉल द साउंड्स ऑफ द अल्फाबेट्स एंड देन राइट इट अलोंग विथ सेइंग इट्स साउंड. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is alphabet recap A to Z. Over here, the child has to write the small letters or the lowercase letters A to Z. Please emphasize them on saying its sound as well. So the first one is A sounds A, B sounds B, C sounds K, D sounds D, E sounds A, F sounds F, G sounds G, H sounds H, I sounds E, J sounds J, K sounds K, L sounds L, M sounds M, N sounds N, O sounds O, P sounds P, Q sounds Q, R sounds R, S sounds S, T sounds T, U sounds A, V sounds V, W sounds V, X sounds X, Y sounds Y and Z sounds Z. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को स्मॉल लेटर्स और लोअर केस लेटर्स A to Z को रिकैप करना है, उनको यहाँ पे लिखना है और साथ साथ में उसका साउंड भी बोल के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is alphabet recap A to Z. write the missing letters. So in this worksheet, the child has to write the missing letters from A to Z. So here A is given, then B, C, D, E, and then they have to see the next row. So N is given, so O, P, then Q is missing. So Q, R. After that it's S, T, U, then V is missing over here. Next row is J, K, L, M, N. So over here L was missing. After that it's F, G, H, I. So I was missing here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को मिसिंग लेटर्स को लिखना है, मिसिंग अल्फ़ाबेट्स को लिखना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is alphabet recap A to Z. Over here, write the small letters for the given capital letters. So here the capital letters are given and the child has to write the small letters for the same. First one is B, sounds B. So this is the small letter B. H sounds H. So this is the small letter H. D sounds D. So this is the small letter D. E sounds A. So this is the small letter E. L sounds L. This is the small letter L. I sounds E. This is the small letter I. J sounds J. So this is the small letter J or J. This is M sounds M. So this is small letter M. N sounds N. So small letter N. Q sounds Q. So this is small letter Q. Next is G sounds G. So this is small letter G. T sounds T. So this is small letter T. R sounds R. So this is small letter R. F sounds F. So this is small letter F. Z sounds Z. So this is small letter Z. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए कैपिटल लेटर्स के लिए स्मॉल लेटर्स लिखना है, उनका साउंड भी बोलना है साथ में और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is letter picture association. Write the letter with which the word begins. So the first picture is of a flag. It starts with the letter F, sounds F. Next is book. So it starts with the letter B, sounds B. Next is moon, letter M, sounds M. Next is star. It starts with the letter S, sounds S. Next is umbrella. It starts with the letter U, sounds A. Next is drum. It starts with the letter D, sounds D. Next is camel. It starts with the letter C, sounds K. Next is tiger. It starts with the letter T, sounds T. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए पिक्चर को देखना है, वर्ड को आइडेंटिफाई करना है और उनको वही वर्ड का इनिशियल लेटर लिख के ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is letter picture association. Write the letter with which the word begins. So the first picture is of a doll. It begins with the letter D, sounds D. Next is goat. It begins with the letter G, sounds G. Next is zebra. It begins with the letter Z, sounds Z. Next is violin. It begins with the letter V, sounds V. Next is yo-yo. it begins with the letter Y, sounds Y. Next is watch, it begins with the letter W, sounds V. Next is house, it begins with the letter H, sounds H. Next is crocodile, it begins with the sound K. So the letter is C over here. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए पिक्चर को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, वर्ड को आइडेंटिफाई करना है, उसके बाद उनको वो वर्ड कौन से लेटर से शुरू होता है तो वो वर्ड का इनिशियल लेटर जो है, जो स्टार्टिंग लेटर है, वो यहाँ पे लिखना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is CVC words recap. Over here, write the beginning sound for the given pictures. So, over here, the given picture is of a hat, sounds H. So, over here, the child has to write H. Next is man, sounds M. The beginning sound is M. So, the letter is M. Next is 10. The beginning sound is T. Next is red. The beginning sound is R. After that, it's lid. The beginning sound is L. Next is pig. The beginning sound is P. Next is log. The beginning sound is L. Next is mop. The beginning sound is M. After that, it's box. The beginning sound is B. Next is hut. The beginning sound is H. Next is tub. The beginning sound is T. Next is bug. The beginning sound is B. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को दिए गए पिक्चर्स के लिए बिगिनिंग साउंड को लिखना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is CVC words. Recap. Write the correct vowel to complete the word. Say the vowel sound. So over here, the first picture is of a sun. So S-U-N, sun. U sounds A. Next is red, R-E-D, red. E sounds A. Next is P-O-T, pot. O sounds O. Next is S-A-D, sad. A sounds A. Next is C-A-P, cap. A sounds A. Next is C-U-P, cup. U sounds A. Next is W-E-B, web. E sounds A. Next is P-A-N, pen. So A sounds A. After that, write the vowels in the circle given below. So first is A sounds A. Next is E sounds A. I sounds E. O sounds O. U sounds A. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को CVC वर्ड्स का रिकैप करवाया गया है. तो सबसे पहले उनको दिए गए ब्लैंक में करेक्ट वॉवल को लिख के ये वर्ड्स को कंप्लीट करना है और वो वॉवल का साउंड भी उनको बोलना है. और यहाँ पे नीचे दिए गए सर्कल में उनको वॉवल्स को लिखना है, उनका साउंड भी बोलना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is CVC words recap. Use the vowels given in the circle to make words. So over here, the vowel is A, sounds A. So the child has to use the vowel A to complete the given word. So here it would be van, fan, ran and man. Next is E sounds A. So over here in these words the child has to write the letter E to complete the given words. So it would be pet, met, jet and get. After that it's O sounds O. So the child has to use the vowel O over here to complete the given words. So here it would be log, fog, dog and jog. Next is I sounds E. So over here in these given words, the child has to use the vowel I to complete the words. Lip, sip, dip and tip. Next is U sounds A. So over here the child has to use the vowel U to complete the given words. So here it would be rug, jug, mug and bug. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को वॉवल्स को यूज करके दिए गए वर्ड्स को कंप्लीट करना है और उनको वॉवल्स का साउंड भी एक बार बोलना है ताकि वो वापस उनको रिकॉल कर पाए. थैंक यू. Hello everyone. In this page, the topic is CVC words recap. Write the ending sound for the given pictures. So over here, the first one is jam. The ending sound is m. M sounds m. Over here, it's rat. T sounds t. Next is leg. G sounds g. Hen. N sounds n. Next is zip. Sounds p. Next is bin. N sounds n. Next is p. A sounds a. Next is nut. So T sounds t. After that, color the CVC words with the same vowel. So over here, the first word is bat. So over here, the child has to color the words having the same vowel A. After that, it's hen. So the one is done for them. And next is hen. So over here, the child has to color the vowels. Over here, color the words having the same vowels. So here it's peg. So the child has to color this box and net. So as these two words have the same vowel E. After that it's pin. So the child has to color the words having the same vowel I. So it's pig, sip and lid. Next is dot. So over here the child has to color the words having the vowel O. So it's rod and top. Next is bun. So U is the vowel over here. So here the word having vowel U is sun. तो यहाँ पे बच्चों को CVC वर्ड्स का रिकैप करवाया गया है. तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे दिए गए वर्ड्स में से बच्चों को एंडिंग साउंड को लिखना है और उसको बोलना भी है. उसके बाद उनको दिए गए CVC वर्ड्स को यहाँ पे कौन से वॉवल यूज़ किए गए हैं यहाँ पे, तो उनको सामने सेम वॉवल के वर्ड्स को कलर करना है और ये वर्कशीट को कंप्लीट करना है. थैंक यू.